actually vlog for the first time, and we're gonna post it on our YouTube channel, which is Rain Equity. So please like and subscribe. So what is the mechanics of the game? So first we're gonna put this on any mess. So yeah. So our rule is don't cheat, since we are going to vlog and we don't want to show our true self here in social media. So yeah. Open it. It's hard. So we put this on so it will be much more funnier. Of your hands very long nail.
So, ayusin pa namin yan.
So we're gonna fix it, y'all. Yeah. So while we're fixing it, we're gonna talk it out. So we haven't actually experienced vlogging, but since ever since we're kids, or hindi na mag-English.
Mag-Tagalog ko.
Simula pa nung bata kami, guys, we always wanted to vlog since kaysa nag-watch kami naman. So ever since we're kids or nung bata pa kami, gusto pa talaga namin mag-vlog. So now that we're a teenager or almost teenager siya, we're pursuing it by making a vlogs, y'all. So yeah. First ating game is Poison Game. So this is our first vlog, first episode, guys. So keep updated, guys. Always share, always follow us, like and share. So yeah. So first, so we have 3 lives, and we're gonna. Wait, 2 lang or. So yeah. So her mom called her, so that's why we paused the video, but we're gonna end it. So nung simula pa ng bata kami, guys, nung simula pa ng bata kami, guys,